Hi, I am Dr. T. N. Kavita. Today we are going to see divisibility rules in this Kanitham Vasappadum. Easily we test one number can be exactly divided by another or not using the rule of divisibility. The divisible by means when you divide one number by another, the result is a whole number. For example, 14 is divisible by 7. The result is 2. It's a whole number. Exactly, it gives the whole number, right? After division, it gives the whole number. 0 is divisible by 7. It gives 0 exactly. 0 is a whole number. Okay. So the divisibility rules used to test if one number is divisible by another or not. Exactly or not. Okay. So the next one we are going to see the test of divisibility for all the numbers. So here I am giving you the divisibility by 2. How can we test the number is divisible by 2 or not? Just the divisibility, the number is divisible by 2 means the unit digits is any of the 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. The unit digit, the ones place, in ones place of the number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Anything is present, that number is divisible by 2. This number cannot divisible by 2 since the last digit is 5. The ones place digit is 5. So 5 is not divisible by 2. Is it? So okay. Next, divisibility by 3. How can we test a number is divisible by 3 or not? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digits is divisible by 3. So take the number, for example, 592482. Here the sum of digit is 30. 30 is divisible by 3, so the number is divisible by 3. This number, the total is 32. 32 is not divisible by 3, so the number not divisible by 3. Divisible by 4. Divisibility rule for 4. The number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4. Just you check the last two digits. That's enough. Here in this number given, the last two digits are 48. 48 is divisible by 4. So this whole number can be divisible by 4. Here in this, the last two digit is 82. The 82 is not divisible by 4 exactly. So it's not divisible by 4. Is it? So okay, next. How can we test divisibility of 5? The number divisible by 5, the unit digit should be 0 or 5. If any of the 0 or 5 present in the last digit, we decide the number can be divisible by 5. So here the example is 20820. The last digit is 0. So divisible by 5. Here in this number, the last digit is 5. So it's divisible by 5. While in these numbers, the last digit is 4 and 6. It's not divisible by 5. Okay. So we expect only 0 and 5 in the last digit. Then only it can be divisible by 5. Okay. So the next divisibility rule for 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Already we know the rules for 2 and 3. 2 the last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. 3 means the total of all the digits should be divisible by 3. Is it? So find the total of all the digits. It is 21. 21 divisible by 3. So divisible by 3. Okay, one rule. So the another rule is divisible by 2 or not, that we need to check. The last digit is 6. Okay, it's divisible by 2. So the number is divisible by 6. Okay. Next divisibility rule for 8. The number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last three digits of the given number is divisible by 8. So we need to check just a last three digit of the number given. So here the number given, in this number the last three digit is 360. 360 is a divisibility rule number formed by last three digit 360 now. So is divisible by 8. Good. The number is divisible by 8. That's it. So here in this number, 418 is the last 3 digit, but the 418 not divisible by 8. So this whole number cannot be divisible by 8, we decided. Okay. So divisibility rules for 9. The number is divisible by 9 if the sum of digits is divisible by 9. The same rule for 3. Is it? Okay. The number given is 60732. The sum of digits is 18. The 18 is divisible by 9. So the number is divisible by 9. Okay, we decided. Next, the 68956 number given is not divisible by 9 since the total sum of the digits is 34. 34 not divisible by 9. So this number is not divisible by 9. We decided. Okay. So divisibility rule for 10. The number is divisible by 10 if the end digit is 0. Simply very simple one. The end digit is 0 means it's divisible by 10. Next, divisibility rule by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sums of odd places. So here we need to choose the odd places numbers separately. Okay. So the odd places numbers difference we need to find the sum of the digits at even places is either 0 or number divisible by 11. Here the number is given, so we go with the example. Sum of digits at odd places, just choose the odd places 8 2 1 8 2 1 4 3 7 8. Okay, 4 3 7 8, the odd places. Even places numbers 1, even second place is 8 2 1. Okay, find the sum and the difference for the both. It is 11. 11 is divisible by 11. So got it. It's divisible by 11. Okay. So next, divisibility rule for 12. The number is divisible by 12. Now we just need to check the number is divisible by 4 and 3. Already we know the divisibility rule for 4. When the last 2 digits is divisible by 4, it's divisible by 4. Is it? Yes, here the last 2 digits is 32. 32 is divisible by 4. Okay. So this number is divisible by 4 and need to check for 3 too. Okay. So for 3 the rule is sum of digits divisible by 3. Okay. Find the sum of digits. Sum of digits is 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Yes. 3 and 4 both rules are clear. Now the number is divisible by 12. Okay. So hence this is divisible by 12. 12 rule na, just we need to check 3 and 4 rules. Okay. Divisibility by 14 also the same. We need to check the rules for 2 and 7. For 15 we need to check 3 and 5 rules. For 16 the similar, we check 4 divisible by, it's divisible by 4. Simply it's divisible by 16. That's it. Okay. For example, this number given 7957536, it's divisible by 16 or not, we need to check. Just use the rule for divisibility of 4. For 4 we just check the last 2 digits is divisible by 4 or not. Here the last 2 digits are 36. 36 is divisible by 4. So this whole number can be divisible by 16 too. Okay. Next, the divisibility rule for 24 means we need to check just the rule of 3 and the rule of 8. Okay. Divisibility for 40, we need to check the rules for 5 and 8. The divisibility by 80, we need to check the rules for 5 and 16. Okay. So if the number is divisible by P as well as Q, where P and Q are co-primes, then the given number is divisible by PQ. So the factors should be co-prime. Okay, for that only we are checking the 80 as 5 and 16. 5 and 16 are co-primes. 5 and 8 are co-primes. 3 and 8 are co-primes. Okay, so the rules we have to apply for the co-primes. Okay, so P and Q are not co-primes, then the given number need not be divisible by PQ. Okay, so the divisibility by both P and Q, that should be co-prime. Okay, here the 36, for example, 36 is divisible by both 4 and 6, but 4 and 6 are not co-primes, right? Okay, but not divisible by 24, since 4 and 6 are not co-primes, right? Okay, thank you very much. In the next video we are going to see multiplication by shortcut methods. Okay, we will see in the next video. See you, bye. See you again.